A blind person has regained sight, not through a donor transplant, but through a cornea printed on a 3D printer. At the same time, a Finnish startup is quietly building glasses that can focus on their own, adjusting instantly to whatever your eyes look at. Scientists are also finding ways to slow down and possibly reverse human aging by changing how cells share energy. In China, robots are stepping into boxing rings, kitchens, parking lots, and even missile factories. All of this is happening right now. And today, we are looking at the most important high-tech breakthroughs shaping the future in one single video. Let us start with a medical moment that could change millions of lives. Scientists have successfully restored vision to a blind patient by transplanting a cornea created entirely using a 3D printer. Until now, corneal transplants depended on human donors. That meant long waiting lists, limited availability, and in many cases, patients losing hope before a suitable donor was ever found. This new technology changes everything. Using advanced bioprinting methods, doctors can now print a cornea that matches the exact shape and biological requirements of a patient's eye. No donors are needed, no years of waiting, no complex surgical procedures. The printed cornea is made from biocompatible material designed to integrate naturally with human tissue. Once transplanted, it begins to perform exactly like a natural cornea, allowing light to pass through and focus correctly on the retina. The patient who received this transplant had been completely blind. After the procedure, they regained functional vision. This is not a small improvement. It is a complete restoration of sight. Researchers believe this is only the beginning. Millions of people worldwide suffer vision loss due to injuries, infections, or genetic conditions. With 3D printing, ophthalmology is shifting from a donor-dependent system to one that can scale globally. Vision care is no longer limited by availability. Technology has reached a point where it can literally give sight back to the blind. And while medicine is learning how to rebuild the human eye, engineers are also rethinking how we see the world every single day. In Finland, a startup called Ixi is developing what could become the world's first true autofocus glasses. Unlike traditional glasses that use fixed lenses, these glasses actively adjust focus in real time. The idea is simple but powerful. Wherever your eyes look, the lenses automatically sharpen the image. Whether you are reading a phone, watching a screen, driving, or looking at something far away, the glasses instantly adapt. What makes this breakthrough even more impressive is how normal the glasses look. There are no bulky motors, no visible cameras, and no heavy hardware. All the technology is hidden inside the frame. To the user, they feel and look like ordinary glasses. There is nothing to adjust manually. Everything happens automatically. This could be life-changing for people dealing with age-related vision problems, farsightedness, or difficulty focusing. Instead of switching between multiple pairs of glasses or considering surgery, one device could handle everything. For the first time in decades, glasses are no longer passive objects. They are becoming intelligent tools that work together with your eyes. And smart glasses are not the only way technology is restoring lost vision. Scientists have also reported a major breakthrough in treating age-related macular degeneration, one of the leading causes of blindness worldwide. For years, this condition was considered irreversible. Once the central vision was gone, there was little doctors could do. Now, that is changing. Researchers have combined a retinal implant with specialized smart glasses to help patients see again. The implant replaces damaged light-sensitive cells in the retina, while the glasses enhance and correct the visual signal before it reaches the brain. Together, they allow the brain to process images it had forgotten how to interpret. Patients who once struggled to recognize faces or read text are now able to navigate their environment, read again, and perform daily tasks independently. This is not a partial fix. It is a real return of central vision. If this technology continues to improve, it could help tens of millions of people worldwide who were once told their blindness was permanent. While medicine pushes human limits, robotics is testing physical ones. In China, the company Unitree has introduced its humanoid robot into an environment no robot had entered before. A real sparring session. The Unitree H2 humanoid stands nearly 180 centimeters tall and is designed not for entertainment, but for serious physical testing. During demonstrations, the robot throws punches, maintains balance under impact, and even performs knee strikes that knock another robot off balance. These movements are not pre-programmed animations. Every action is controlled in real time by sensors, actuators, and AI systems, reacting instantly to physical feedback. The purpose of these tests is not combat. It is durability, balance, reaction speed, and safety. Engineers are pushing the robot to its limits to understand how it behaves under extreme conditions. Unitree has clearly stated that these tests are conducted strictly in controlled environments, but the message is clear. Humanoid robots can now handle physical contact, collisions, and loss of balance. This capability opens doors to new applications in disaster response, heavy labor, and environments too dangerous for humans. Robotics is also quietly transforming something far more ordinary: parking. Engineers have introduced a new technology that could permanently change urban driving. In the EX5 crossover vehicle, all four wheels can rotate up to 90 degrees. This allows the car to move sideways, sliding directly into tight parking spaces. Turning around in narrow streets becomes effortless. The vehicle can pivot almost in place without complex steering maneuvers. In megacities where parking is a daily struggle, this technology could save time, reduce stress, and change how cities design parking infrastructure. What once required multiple attempts and careful adjustments now becomes one smooth motion. Urban mobility is becoming smarter, not through bigger roads but through better engineering. And automation is not stopping at vehicles. In Beijing, a fully robotized restaurant has officially begun daily operations, and this time it is not a limited trial or a short-term technology showcase. This is a complete, working restaurant backed by one of China's largest and most successful food chains. At a Haidilao location in Beijing, robots now handle almost every step of the dining process, from the moment an order is placed to the moment the food arrives at the table. Customers place their orders digitally, and those orders are instantly sent to a central control system. From there, robotic arms begin preparing ingredients with extreme precision. Vegetables are cut, meat is portioned, and cooking temperatures are controlled automatically. The cooking process itself is handled by machines that follow exact timing and heat levels, ensuring the same taste and quality every single time. Once the dishes are ready, robotic delivery units carry the meals through the restaurant and bring them directly to the correct tables. There are no human waiters moving between tables and no traditional chefs standing over stoves. Instead, the entire operation is managed by software, sensors, and robotic systems working together in real time. Algorithms decide the order of preparation, adjust timing to avoid delays, and keep everything running smoothly even during peak hours. The focus is not just automation, but consistency. Every customer receives the same level of service, regardless of how busy the restaurant becomes. The main reason behind this shift is efficiency. Robots do not get tired, do not need breaks, and do not slow down after long hours. They do not make mistakes in orders, and they perform tasks at the same speed and accuracy throughout the day and night. This allows the restaurant to operate with fewer interruptions and lower long-term labor costs. It also reduces human error, which is one of the biggest challenges in large-scale food service operations. What makes this development truly significant is scale. Haidilao is not a small brand. It operates thousands of restaurants across China and internationally. The company has publicly announced plans to automate up to 5,000 locations if this model proves successful. That means this is not just about one futuristic restaurant in Beijing. It is about a complete transformation of how food service could operate on a national and even global level. If this approach is expanded, restaurants could become faster, cheaper to run, and far more standardized. Food preparation would rely more on engineering and software than human labor. For customers, this could mean shorter waiting times and more consistent quality. For the industry, it signals a major shift toward full automation, similar to what factories experienced during earlier industrial revolutions. While robots are quietly transforming everyday life, China is also making bold moves in advanced military technology. A Beijing-based defense technology company has released footage of a new hypersonic missile system known as the YKJ-10,000. The video shows real flight tests conducted at a desert testing range, including successful launches and precise target strikes. Unlike many promotional clips, this footage demonstrates an operational system rather than a concept or simulation. The missile reportedly travels at speeds between Mach 5 and Mach 7, meaning it moves several times faster than the speed of sound. At those speeds, interception becomes extremely difficult. The missile also has a reported operational range of 500 to 1,300 kilometers, allowing it to strike distant targets in a very short amount of time. The real disruption comes from cost. According to the developers, this missile is already in mass production and costs nearly 90% less than traditional weapons in the same category. Hypersonic technology was once extremely expensive and limited to small quantities. Lowering the cost changes everything. Scientists have identified a way to reverse aspects of cellular aging without drugs and without genetic modification. The process focuses on how cells produce and share energy. As we age, cells lose efficiency. Energy production drops, tissues weaken, and organs slowly decline. This new approach teaches healthy cells to share spare components with weaker cells. Instead of replacing DNA or introducing chemicals, it restores balance through natural cooperation between cells. Damaged cells regain function. Tissues begin to perform better. Write in the comments which breakthrough impressed you the most. Subscribe to the Ko Show channel so you never miss the next video. See you in the next video.